Yes, children. Please tell me, is my screen visible to all of you? Children, is my screen visible to all of you? Children, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's visible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Put on the camera quickly. Please put on your camera. In the last class, I was doing this chapter, mensuration, right? That basically deals with surface area and volume. Let me just check. So we were on exercise 9.1 and didn't I started with the chapter, right? Or I to explain you some points for area of
Yes,
polygon.
ma'am, you had one more topic left.
Which topic?
Yes,
Which topic?
ma'am, not topic like we had one more thing left.
What was left?
Ma'am, I forgot.
Mustafa, can you please remind that what was the last topic of last class? Area of polygon basically I start with.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you look here now. For example, now the question says that the area of a trapezium shaped field. Okay, can someone tell me now the area of trapezium? I discussed it in the last class. What is the area of trapezium? Children, what is the area of trapezium? Don't remember? Okay, see, this is what a trapezium looks like. So this and this are the parallel sides. So if I name it A, B, C, and D, and this is the height, the perpendicular is the height. So what is the area now? Half into sum of parallel sides. I made you write it in the last class. Into height, right? This is the formula for area of a trapezium. Now what happens? The question says the area of a trapezium, shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance,
Ma'am, can show the formula again.
yeah, please write the formula. Children, I think both of you were not there in the last class, right? Both of you
I
were
was
not
there.
there in the last
No,
class,
ma'am,
right?
I was.
Done.
Then, ma'am.
Yeah, the question is now the area of a trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance between its parallel side is 15 meter and one of the side is 20 meter. Find the other. Now look here very carefully. What is given to you? The area of trapezium is given to you, 480 meters square. So area is already given. Then one of the side is also given 20 meter, and the distance between its parallel side is given. So children, if this was the trapezium and these are the two parallel sides, so what is the distance between two parallel sides? So that is only the height. So sometimes they can give you height is equal to distance between parallel sides. Parallel sides. Okay, just remember this thing. The height is equals to distance between the parallel sides. So the area is given to you, and now see what is the formula of area then. The height is also given to you. Height is how much? 15 meter. It is also given to you. One of the side is 20 meter. So one of the side, let's consider x is how much? 20 meter. The other parallel side I don't know. So let's suppose y I don't know. Or you can also consider it as S1 and S2. Parallel side number 1, parallel side number 2. Okay. So now how to find this side? Very easy. I will just apply the formula. Area is equals to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So what is the area now? What is the area? What should I write for
480,
area?
480 meters.
480 is equals to half into,
Half
what should I
into
write?
20
20 plus
x into 50.
into 15. Very good. Now how am I supposed to solve this? Children, look very carefully. First of all, 2 is being divided in this equation on the right side. So you transpose it here and multiply. So write 480 into 2. 15 is being multiplied. So you transpose it here and divide by 50 is equal to 20 plus x. Okay. So now can you cancel anything? 15 and 480, can you cancel? Yes. Let's try by 3. So 3 into, we can also cancel by 5 as well. 5 into 3 is 15, right? 5 into 9 is 45, right? 3 carry 5 into 9, 6 is 30. Then 3 into 1, 3 into 3 and 3 into 2. So your answer you get is 32 into 2 is equals to 20 plus x. 32 into 2 becomes how much? 64. 20 goes over here and subtracted. So answer is 44 meter is equal to x. Okay. X value is 44 meters. Got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
That's how you can do this question. Okay. Now we come to, now one more thing. Area of a rhombus. Does someone know the area of a rhombus? Half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. Okay, half into d1 into d2. This is the area of a rhombus. So if this is a rhombus, so from this formula we also get to know one more thing, that d1 and d2 are not equal. That means the diagonals of a rhombus are not equal in them, right? Like the diagonals of square are equal in them. So diagonals of rhombus are not equal in them. So this is diagonal 1, this is diagonal 2, d1, this is d2, this is a, b, c and d. So what will be the area? Area will be half into d1 into d. Okay, like this you can. Now let's suppose I give you a question. The area of rhombus is 240 centimeter square, and one of the diagonals is 16 centimeter. Find the other. Find the other diagonal. So what will you do over here? Tell me. How can I solve this question now?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
First we write 240 centimeters equal to 1 by 2 into 16 into d2.
Very good. First of all, you write the formula. Area is equals to half into d1 into d2. Now children, I know you can directly solve it, but you will write the values. What is given to you? Area is given to you as 240, so just first write it. D1 is given to you as 16, so just write it. D2 is unknown, just write it. Unknown. Now you solve it. So what will you do in every question of this chapter? Write the formula, write all the quantities that are given in the question, and then you will solve it. So area is 240 is equals to 1 by 2 into d1 is how much? 16 into d2 you know. How can I next solve it? What can I solve further?
We'll transpose 2 to the left side and it becomes 240 into 2.
Please speak a
Um,
little loudly, child.
Mom, we transpose 2 to 240, so it becomes 240
Wait,
by
see,
2.
there I transpose the numbers directly because nothing can be solved. Nothing could be solved,
Ma'am, we
right?
can cut it.
Yeah, we can cut it. You can cancel it directly. 2 into 1 and 2 into 8 is 16. So what do you get? 240 is equals to 8 into d2. So 240 upon 8 is equals to d2. So 8 into 1, 8 into 3 is 24. So d2 value is 30 centimeters. Got it? Right? Please just give me a minute, children, and
Yes.
copy this question. Yes, children, have you completed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You complete the question? Okay. Let's come to the next question. It says length of the fence of a trapezium. Kumar, why did you join late? Shaped field A, B, C, D is 120 meters. If BC is equals to 48 meter, CD is equals to 17 meter, and AD is equals to 40 meter, find the area of the field. Find the area. Given is side AB is perpendicular to. This is the sign for perpendicular. Only I can use it, children. You will have to write the whole word perpendicular. Okay, I will just use it to write in the question. So just to know, you should understand. Whenever I make this sign, this means perpendicular. Perpendicular to the parallel side AD and okay. Now what happens? It is given that the length of a fence of a trapezium shaped field is 120 meters. Now children, look very carefully. What does it mean that length of the fence of a trapezium shaped field? Length of a fence means what? This sentence. Where do we fence? If this is a trapezium shaped field, where
In
am
the
I?
perimeter.
Tell me children, where am I supposed to fence?
Mom, is it like the perimeter?
Speak loudly, Duha.
Mom, is it the perimeter?
The perimeter, yes, very good. We always fence around the perimeter. We always fence around the boundary. So whenever it will be given to you, length of the fence. So you understand these terms now. Fencing means always the perimeter. Fencing is related to perimeter. Okay. So that means the perimeter of this field is given to us as how much? 120 meters. So perimeter is 120 meters. Okay. Now they are telling you BC is 48. So just write it. This is 48 meter. Then CD is 17 meter. Then AD is 40 meter. You have to find the area, and they are telling you AB is perpendicular to parallel side AD and BC. Okay, children, one more thing. See, now this important line is given to us. This is actually defining us that how the figure actually looks like. So what does this trapezium actually looks like? Please erase this and make it accordingly. They are telling you that AB is actually perpendicular side. So one of the side is perpendicular, AB. What are the parallel sides? AD and BC. So that means one of this side is parallel and one of this side is parallel. Now just check, is AD longer or BC longer? Okay, I don't know which is longer. Okay, so I can't draw it. I can either draw it like this or I can draw it like this, but I won't draw right now. First, let's check. First of all, AD is 40 meter and BC is 48 meter. So now we know BC is longer. So let's suppose this is BC, this is 48 meter. So this is AD. Now, sorry. Now we know the exact. Okay. And AD is how much then? AD is 40 meter. BC is how much? 48 meter, and CD is 17 meter. Do you understand this figure now?
Yes,
You understand? Okay. Now, is there a way to find AB first of all? Because you have to find area, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Uh,
So if you have to find the area, children, so you need to know the side as well. This height as well you need to know. So how can I find the height?
ma'am, since it's perpendicular, the height will be
Please speak loudly. I'm not able to hear you. Am I audible to all of you children? Or is my voice
yes,
Yes,
also
ma'am.
low?
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Duha, please speak a little loudly. Duha,
Ma'am, I don't know.
I don't know. Children, perimeter is given. Can you not find the side AB? Think. How do you calculate the perimeter?
Ma'am, what's the formula for perimeter?
Sum of all the sides.
Children, yeah, very good, Duha. Sum of all sides. Children, perimeter is sum of all sides, right? So if there is a figure of whose the formula is not defined for a perimeter, like for trapezium, for a triangle, for some of the figures, for example, a rhombus, the perimeters are not really defined. For rhombus, it is defined 4 into side, but wherever the perimeter is not defined, it's just sum into sides, sum of all sides. So you will do AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is equals to the perimeter. So 40 plus 17 plus 48 plus height is equals to perimeter 120. Okay, just add and subtract. That's it. So 40 plus 48 is 88, and 88 plus 17 you have to do 105 plus h is 120. So h is 120 minus 105. So answer is 15 meters. So that means the height comes out to be 15. Tell me children, this thing that do you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now, see, children, the height is 15 meters. Now what happens is, what you had to calculate? The area. What was the formula for area of a trapezium?
1/2 into sum of parallel sides into
So area of trapezium now can you calculate very easily? Yes, half into sum of parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? Kumar, you will tell me. Kumar, you're not answering today. What are the parallel sides over here?
Ma'am, parallel sides are 40 meter and 48 meter, ma'am. Like AD is parallel to BE.
To BC, that's BC. Yeah, 40 meter
Okay,
and 48 meter. So you just add them, children. Okay, you just add 40 meter plus 48 meter into height. So into 50. Okay. So what I will do here is, children, do not make this mistake that you're cancelling 2 into 1 and 2 into 20. No, no such mistake should be made. Why? Why can I not cancel 2 and 40?
Mom, we have to start with the bracket.
Yeah,
Mom, it's
exactly, children. You cannot cancel a number which is being added or subtracted to another number. You cannot cancel it before the addition or subtraction operation is being performed on it. Okay? Just remember this thing very carefully. So you first perform this operation, then you cancel whatever you want. So 1 by 2 into 88 into 15. Now is there any plus and minus operation? No. Now can I cancel? Yes. So 2 into
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2
yes,
into
ma'am.
24. Multiply
yes,
44 into 15,
Mom,
660 you get.
660.
Okay, meter square. Student, this is the solution.
Mom, I got my paper today.
Yeah. Student, all of you understood
Mom,
this?
I got my paper today.
Yes, Duha, please speak again.
Mom, I got my test paper today.
You got your test paper grade. Okay, how much did you score?
76.5.
76 and a half out of
80.
very good, Duha. Very good marks. 76 and a half are very good marks. Very good, Duha. Just keep it up like this only, okay? In your finals as well. Now, student, you all understood this part, this question? Clear with it, right? Shall I move to the
Yes,
next one now? Now, one question, will you all try?
yes, Mom.
The diagonal of a rhombus are 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find its. Okay. Now this is a very easy question, children. Quickly do it and tell me the solution.
Mom, it's 45 centimeters square.
Yes, how much?
Mom, 45
Children, just give me a
centimeters
minute.
square.
I will just use my headphones, okay? And then just give me a minute. Children, please try to speak something now.
That's 45 meters square.
Mom, it's 45
Centimeters square.
centimeters square.
Yeah, and I am audible to you properly, right?
Yes,
Yes,
Mom.
ma'am.
Okay, so now I also hear you better. So diagonal of the rhombus is given as this and this. Kumar, you are not answering today. What has happened? You're very quiet.
Ma'am, I have a bit of fever, ma'am. I was late to class because I went to hospital.
Oh, Okay, Kumar, take care of yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
No
Thank you.
problem. It's okay, and it's good that you're attending the class. It's okay, just don't take stress, just attend the questions that I'm doing. So area is half into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, right? So it is half into d1 is 7.5 into d2 is 12. Now children, what you will do is look very carefully. Just cancel 2 and 12. 2 into 1 and 2 into 6 is 12. Just multiply 75 and 6. So what are you getting? 45.
44.
450, and then there's one decimal place. So one decimal place over here. So your answer comes out to be centimeter. So 45 centimeters. Okay, got it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, one more thing, children. Find the area of the rhombus. Or do this question. The floor of a building consists of 3,000 tiles, which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are rhombus shaped, and diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. Find total cost of polishing the floor. Children, write the question along with me, okay? Cost of polishing the floor at rupees 4 per meter square. Very important question, children, and a very good question. What does it say? That there is a floor of a building that is consisting of how many tiles? 3,000 tiles. So, for example, this is the floor, and this floor is covered with tiles, and the tiles are in the shape of rhombus. Okay, so like tile number 1, and tile number 2, tile number 3, tile number 4, tile number 5, and so on. So it is covered with how many tiles? 3,000 tiles that are rhombus in shape. Okay, now they are telling you, they've given you the dimension of each tile. Like this is a tile. Okay, they have given you diagonal 1, they've given you diagonal 2 also. What is diagonal 1? 45 centimeter, diagonal 2 is 30 centimeter. Now they are telling you that find the cost of polishing of this entire floor. Okay, at what cost? At a cost of rupees 4 per meter square. That means
24.
for one at a cost of 4 per meter. What are you saying, Duha?
Ma'am, I read it as 24.
No, that's 4 rupees 4. 4 per meter square. Now, children, what do you have to find now? See, the cost of polishing you have to find. So, children, first of all, look very carefully. You will have to calculate the total area. You will calculate the total area. And how do you calculate the total area now? You calculate total area is equal to area of one tile into 3,000, because there are a total of 3,000 tiles. You do area of one tile into 3,000 tiles. Calculate the total area. and multiply the total area with 4 rupees. Because for 1 meter square, they're charging 4 rupees. So for the total area, they'll cost multiplied with 4. Right? You understand the concept of the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Please tell me, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Children, start doing this question and you've got 5 minutes for it. Okay? So should we do it? And raise your hands when you're done.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, children, done. So let's discuss the answer. So first of all, children, you find the area of tile. Half into 45 into 30. Cancel this, you get 15. You multiply 45 and 15.
675.
675.
675 is correct. Centimeters. Now, children, what is the total area? Will be 675 centimeters square into 3000, right? How much does it become?
2025 and 3 zeros.
2025 and 30 centimeters square, right? Now, children, this is the total area. Now, what happens? What do you have to find? You have to find cost. And what is the cost given? Rupees 4 per meter square. So, children, shall I directly multiply it with 4, or will I
No,
have to
ma'am.
change? Will I have to change centimeter square to meter square?
We had to
We have
change
to
it to
change it.
meter square.
Have to change. How do we change? 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter. So 1 centimeter square will be 1 by 10000, 10,000, right? This is the conversion factor. So you get
Yes, ma'am.
2025 divided by 10,000. 3 zeros carried cancelled. 202.5. So cost is equals to now multiply with 4.
That's 810.
810, and you get 1 decimal. Okay. So the answer is 810. That is the total. Okay, children, this is how you need to
Yes,
solve
ma'am.
it. Now we come to the next question. Mohan wants to buy trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of the field is and perpendicular distance between two parallel sides is Find length of side along the river. Look very carefully. What do we have to do over here? It's given to us that Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field and its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So that means there is a trapezium shaped field, something like this. First of all, one side there is river, the other side there is road. I don't know where side it is river, which of the side is road. Now look very carefully. River is parallel to and twice the side along the road. So the side along the river is twice the side along the river. Okay. So this is the side along the river. This is the side along the river. This is parallel to this. Now area they are giving you. You have to find the length along the side of the river and the distance between parallel. Okay, who will tell me what is this 100 meter? What is
Wait,
this
mom,
100 meter?
mom, the height.
The height. So the height becomes 100, right? The height becomes 100. Now, children, can you calculate?
Mom, can you scroll up? I want to see the question.
Children, one more thing here is they keep telling you the side along the river is twice the side along the river. So if I consider that this side is x, so what will this side become? What will this side become? Tell me. This side is x. What will this side become? Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
This becomes 2x. Children, am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Mustafa and Dua, both of your video is paused for some reason. So now children, just calculate it quickly. Use the formula for area, calculate the value of x, and what are they asking you? Find the length along the river. So calculate 2x then. Okay. Find the answer. Calculate it and tell me the answer. Okay.
Done, mom.
Done. Tell me the solution.
Mom, the length of the side along the river is 14 meters.
Dua, tell me the complete solution, child. Why do I not see the video for all of you?
Mom, can I leave the meeting because my iPad is about to its battery is very low. So can I switch to another?
Okay, Dua, actually, I'm just about to end the meeting only. You can listen and then leave, okay? It's just about 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, see children. The area is
Great.
half into sum of both the sides 2x plus x into height 10500 is half into 3x into height is 100 2 into 50 10500 upon 3 into 50 is x 0 cancel with the 0 right then 5 into 1 5 into 2 5 into 1 5 into 0 3 into 7 so the value of x is 70 meters so the value of 2x becomes 2 into 70 that's 140 so now what is the length along the road length along the road
Sorry, ma'am. My
children please tell me do you understand this it's okay Dua, no problem
Yes, ma'am.
here with this question
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
so now children for today we will just keep it up to here only a few of the